Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, children. We are here to learn the Quran and talk in Arabic. كيف حالكم? How are you all doing? Wow! Isn't it exciting that you can learn Quran and Arabic at the same time? I'm sure it is. So let's buckle up and start. وَمِن شَرِّ النَّفَّاثَاتِ. This is what we studied in our previous lesson. In this lesson, we will study فِي الْعُقَدِ. Repeat after me. فِي الْعُقَدِ. فِي الْعُقَدِ. فِي الْعُقَدِ. فِي الْعُقَدِ. فِي الْعُقَدِ. فِي الْعُقَدِ. Last time. فِي الْعُقَدِ. فِي الْعُقَدِ. Combine everything together. وَمِن شَرِّ النَّفَّاثَاتِ فِي الْعُقَدِ. 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 Again. وَمِن شَرِّ النَّفَّاثَاتِ فِي الْعُقَدِ. وَمِن شَرِّ النَّفَّاثَاتِ فِي الْعُقَدِ. Wow! Excellent! Good! I like the way you're practicing to read the Quran. You know, children, Noon and Mim are lovely letters because they give us the tone. The sound to make things interesting. They make the recitation very beautiful. So whenever tajdeed comes on noon or mim, you have to stretch them. Just double stretch. Not more, not less. So if we have inna, it should be inna, not in. That is wrong. Inna. Very good. We are here to learn the Quran and talk in Arabic. So buckle up and let's go and learn how to recite Quran properly. Anna. Anna. Sound of noon and tajdeed together. The sound is coming from your nose. Anna. And anna means that. Inna, certainty, indeed. And the next one is inna, indeed we. Minna, from us. And the one after it is wa inna. Oh, that was wrong. Right, guys? Because it's not wa inna, because it has fatha. So do not make that mistake. Wa inna. That is right. Don't say wa inna, completely wrong, but say wa inna. The next one is thumma, not summa, and also not thumma, but say thumma. Very good. Again, thumma. The next one, mimma, mimma. And the one after, amma, amma. Well, guess what? Again, we have a few examples with mim and tajdeed. Lamma. The first one is lamma. Wa amma. I feel I'm going down the slide. Woo! Are you having fun? I'm having so much fun. So let's go continue to have lots and lots of fun learning how to recite the Quran. Innama. Innama. Very good. Next. فَإِنَّمَا. The previous one was innama. Here it's only fa. فَإِنَّمَا. Now we come to a set of 4 words again, which has kunna, ka, kunna, amanna, آمنا. The next one is إنه. إنه. Very good. إني. إني. The next word we have is إنك. إنك. إنكم is our next word. إنكم. And the one after is أنهم. أنهم. Careful now. The next word coming is very crucial to understand. Why? This one is أنهم. The next one is إنهم. إنهم. أنهم. إنهم. The next set of words are فلما. فلما. جنات. جنات. Wow! Jannat. We hope that all of us can go to Jannah, inshaAllah. The next one we have is Jahannama. Jahannama. Oh Allah, save all of us from Jahannam. Insha'Allah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will save all of us from Jahannam. ولكن. The next one is ولكن. Children, let me invite you to learn how to write in Arabic. You've been learning so far, and I'm so proud of you, but let's take a few more steps further and learn something new in this class. And the first word that we are going to learn in this class is أن. You have أن. So we're going to write أن. Alif with the fatha. Then we have the na, the dot, the tashdid, and the fatha. أن. Now I want you to practice yourself. Write the alif with the fatha, the noon with the dot, the tashdid, and the fatha. أن. Wonderful job. Make sure that you go slow and steady so that you don't make any mistake. Now, let me show you the second word for this lesson. The second word for us is minna. First, you are going to write the ma and the kasra, mi. And then you write the na and the dot. And then you write the tashdid and the fatha. That is minna. Everybody, again, write with me. Minna, ma, and then the kasra, mi, and then come down, and then join it to the noon. That's the dot for noon, tashdid, and fatha. Minna. Wonderful. Now, I want you to practice this more than one time so that you can get a grasp of it, so you can get a good grip on this, insha'Allah. But in order for you to do that, you have more chance to practice two more words in our lesson, which is inna and inna. So, practice at your home and whenever you get a chance in your free time, so that you know how to write Arabic whenever it is being spoken, or when you see an ayah or a sentence, you can write by yourself. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. Oh. That is a very famous and a very important statement for a Muslim. And do you know what it means? Well, there's no God worthy of worship except Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And in order for us to understand what it means, come with me. Let's learn Arabic with actions. Alayka means on you. Alaykum means on you all. And guess what? Where did Assalamu alaykum come from? right from here. Alaykum. Assalamu alaykum. On you all. Peace be upon you all. Alayka on you. Alaykum on you all. So repeat after me now, only in Arabic. Alayka alaykum. Alayka alaykum. Alayka alaykum. Alayka alaykum. Excellent. Again. Alayka alaykum. Alayka alaykum. Again. Alayka alaykum. Alayka alaykum. MashaAllah. Wonderful. Repeat with me slowly. Alayka alaykum. Alayka alaykum. Alayka alaykum. MashaAllah, that was very nice. Let's practice what we have learned so far. In our previous lesson, we learned alayhi means on him, alayhim means on them, alayka means on you, alaykum means on you all. Repeat after me in Arabic. Alayhi alayhim, on him and on them, right? So, alayhi alayhim, alayhi alayhim, alayka alaykum, alayka alaykum. Excellent. Again, alayhi alayhim, alayhi alayhim, alayka alaykum, alayka alaykum. Again, alayhi alayhim, alayhi alayhim, alayka alaykum, alayka alaykum. Last time, alayhi alayhim, alayhi alayhim, alayka alaykum, alayka alaykum. MashaAllah, that was excellent. Now, repeat with me slowly. Alayhi alayhim, alayka alaykum, alayhi alayhim, alayka alaykum, alayhi alayhim, alayka alaykum. Again, alayhi alayhim, alayka alaykum. MashaAllah. I'm so proud of you. You guys are doing such a great job learning Arabic with actions. Don't be shy to use your hands because that helps you to remember and learn faster, inshallah. Wow, children, I'm so excited to teach you Quran and talk in Arabic at the same time. I'm sure that all of you are so excited at the same time. And I'm sure that all of us will see each other in our next class. That's all for now. See you next class. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum